Well, we went back to Sherwin Williams and had him make us up a larger batch of the sample that he screwed up on this Triumph Racing Green. And here, if I can get it to focus, okay, these two dots on the left, dang, focus, were the sample. This one is the one we ended up purchasing. It's got a little more blue in it than the green, the Jaguar green, but it's a lot darker than the original samples, so we ended up going with this Triumph Racing Green. I think it'll work fine, especially I think with a tan interior. That'll go great with that little bit of blue in it. So that's what we're going to paint it. And it's another end of day video. As you already know, we went to the paint store and selected our paint. And to keep myself busy, I wire wheeled the inner dash support and painted it black. And my brother sprayed the feather fill on the areas he had applied body filler. And check it out. Look, that's just slick. Smooth. Looks like it's ready to paint already. And he's particularly proud of this piece. Looks like a factory item, doesn't it? You couldn't even tell it was dented.